Hi, my name's Amelia and I study linguistics at the University of York. And today I'm going to talk to you a bit about rainforests. So did you know that there are over 50 million species that are found in rainforests? That's about half the number of species that are found on Earth. You've probably heard of some of them, like the jaguar or the sloth or the toucan, but there's probably some you haven't heard of, like the capybara or the okapi. Different animals tend to live on different levels of the rainforest, but they all rely on each other to make the ecosystem work. The top layer of the rainforest is the emergent layer, which is just the very top of the tallest trees. So here you'll find birds or butterflies or bats and even some small monkeys. It's really dangerous to live up here because of the wind and the unsteady branches. The next layer down is the canopy, and this is made of thick tree branches that crisscross across each other. There's more wildlife here than in any other layer. Birds like the toucan or the macaw parrots live alongside spider monkeys or howler monkeys, and you'll also find some quieter animals like the sloth or the iguana. Most of these animals will never go down to the forest floor because all the food that they need is found in this layer. The third layer is called the understory. This is a sheltered layer that exists below the canopy and is home to animals like the jaguar and many frogs and snakes. These animals prefer the shade to the bright sunlight of the upper layers, and often use the shrubs and smaller trees as camouflage. The bottom layer is the forest floor, and here there's hardly any sunlight. Millions of insects live here, alongside the dead leaves and rodents and insect-eating animals like the giant anteater. As you can see, there are so many different animals that are found in the rainforest. And that's why we need to help protect them from deforestation and stop many of these amazing animals going extinct. Okay, so we're now going to do a quick true or false quiz about some of the animals that are found in the rainforest. So question one, orangutans use the leaves as umbrellas to keep themselves dry when it rains. True or false? So it's true. I guess that because it rains a lot in the rainforest, it's a pretty handy trick to use. And then we've got question two. Jaguars are very good at climbing trees. True or false? Well, this one's obviously true. This is mainly because they live in the understory, but they can climb up to the canopy for food when they need it. Question three. Toucans are really good at flying. True or false? This one's actually false. They can't fly very well and prefer to hop from branch to branch rather than flying. Question four. The bright colours of the poison dart frog warn predators that they are very dangerous. True or false? So it's true. The poison dart frog is the most poisonous animal in the world. They're even dangerous to humans. And the final question, the spider monkey is the loudest mammal in the rainforest. True or false? It's false. The loudest animal is the howler monkey, which can be as loud as a plane taking off. So I hope you enjoyed learning a bit about the rainforest with me. Bye!